Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mr. Tambourine Man on the harmonica. First, grab a standard C diatonic harmonica, a great choice for starting out. Hold it gently, ensuring a good seal with your lips. Practice blowing and drawing air through single holes to get a clear, distinct sound. This foundational skill is crucial for playing melodies accurately. For this lesson, we'll use a C diatonic harmonica. While the original recording uses an F harp, playing on a C harmonica in first position is excellent for learning the melody. This means the harmonica's key, C, aligns with the song's melodic structure, making it easier to find the notes. Focus on clean, single notes as you begin. Let's learn the opening phrase of the chorus. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man. Start with 2 blows on hole 7, then draw on hole 7. Next, draw on hole 6, followed by 2 blows on hole 6, and finally a blow on hole 5. Take your time with these notes, focusing on clear articulation and a steady rhythm. To truly capture the folk essence, try adding double stops or even full chords to your playing, just like Bob Dylan. You can also experiment with subtle bends on draw notes, especially on holes 2, 3, and 4, to add a soulful touch. Consistent practice, even for short periods, will significantly improve your technique and confidence. Enjoy the journey of playing this classic tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.